Hi everybody, this is Judy.
And this is Riley.
And we're with Denver Urban Gardens, and we're here to get you really excited about working with your kids to learn ways that you can bring in pollinators, insects, and birds in your garden, get your hands really messy and dirty, and help support the earth and beautify your landscape. The project we're going to do today is called seed balls.
Ooh.
Our ingredients are compost. This is the same kind of compost that we use in our Denver Urban Gardens. And the purpose of the compost is to feed the seeds. So Riley, I'm going to have Riley go ahead and put about 3/4 of a cup of compost on our mixing. You can use that same cup, and you're going to mix 1/4 of a cup of terracotta clay. This is the same kind of clay that we use to make pots, clay pots.
Just 1/4?
No, 1 1/4 cups. So
awesome.
we're going to go back with our same. You'll see when he puts it out, it's really fluffy, it's powdery. So dump it on top of the compost. And then actually, is this our 1/4 cup measure?
Yes, it is.
Another 1/4 cup of that. And we're gonna have fun. We're just gonna mix this up.
All right.
Let's go ahead and mix up our clay. And the whole purpose of the clay, when this hardens after we water it, it's gonna make a coat for the seeds.
Okay.
We're gonna use will you show people what we're using?
I'm gonna use our hummingbird and butterfly pollinator wildflower mix here.
Ooh, this is customized for our area, and we're gonna use 1/4 cup. So let's put that over the tray. And in order to make it, what is our magic ingredient that we need?
Water.
All right, so we're gonna water this slowly. Is we're just going to take little pieces. When I say little pieces, pretty much the size of a marble, something like this. Okay, and we're just going to roll it. What you want to do with your seed balls now, they're not quite ready for planting. Let them sit in a dry place. You can put them in the sun, or since it may get super hot out there, I would leave them inside in a dry place, in a place that's in the sun or whatever, outside of the wind for 2 days. And what's going to happen is that terracotta coat is going to dry. That's going to protect the seed that's inside. The compost is going to feed the seed. And when you're ready to plant, because we have so little in the way of moisture here, what I would do would be to have the kids dig up an area of the garden that they want to plant these in. And kind of rake it fine, and then they can just take these balls when they're dry and place them or throw them in different parts of the earth that they have planted, that they have tilled or broken up, and then have another group of kids take about 1 inch of soil and put them on top. And of course label them flower meadow to be the place to bring in birds and bees, and seed balls. It's also called seed bombs or guerrilla gardening. It's a great way of getting kids excited about getting muddy, getting their hands in the soil, and watching what they plant is going to grow. Those are the kind of hands I want to see that have got doing good work for the earth. That's fabulous.